Good morning, cyber traders, and happy Monday, everybody, on the 13th of November. How's everybody doing, everybody? Hopefully everybody's doing great. Good morning to you, Amy, Phil, Anna, good to see you. Katria, good to see you. James, JJ, Grant, good to see you. Susie, good morning, everybody. And welcome all new members starting their first day here in the Cyber Trading University trading room. Hopefully everyone's getting really excited. We got a lot of new people that are starting today. Hopefully a lot of you are going to realize and learn what the real truth is, what is day trading and how we do it. And hopefully it's going to be a new career changer for you. So just sit back, listen, and learn. All right, now let's just talk really quick what happened last week. I told you guys back in the summertime that September, October, and November, and early December are the best months of the year. If you haven't figured that out after what happened last week, I mean, I don't know what more to kind of show you that, yes, some of you have never seen or ever been in 100% winner or 200% winner, well, in one day. I only thought that was just, back in the, IPO days. But you know what? That's not true. And you've seen a lot of it. And we're going to talk about it. For some of you that missed it, let's just show you really quick. So let's go over what we had last week and review of some of the winners that we had last week. And then we're going to talk about some really good winners because there's some really good ones. I know some of you already tapped into that TRXC right now. Program trading kicked in right at 840. And 45, you can see from 280 to 340. We'll check that out in a minute, but let's talk about some of the big winners of last week. For some of you missed out, the CREG was a great winner. That stock went from $1. And by the way, guys, please keep in mind these are day trades. Okay, these are not swing trades. So some people look at it like, well, but where's the stock today? It's irrelevant where it was and where it was that day. But anyway, some of you capitalized on this one. Went from $1 to $6.40. Next day it went from 3 to 4 to 9. CREG was a great winner last week. Great day trading stock. The other big winner, KBSF. Another big winner, went from $2 all the way to 16 in one day. KBSF, I know you guys cleaned up on that one too. ONP was another big winner that we had last week. That went from 80 cents to 240. That was a great day trade. And I think everyone really enjoyed this one because this one's a little bit easier to trade. Was the ROKU. That one went from 22. It gapped up and went all the way to 37. Nice move. And you know what? It's starting to turn out to be a day trade. I mean, the really big winner was the CREG. That was the cheap one. But I think everyone did pretty well on this one because it was a little bit more on the slow and steady side. So that's basically a lot of people did really well. I know some of you sent me emails. Like Grant Brockway said he made $3,000 on a learned a little bit more on doing the scalping course that I taught. Did really well. Ben and Andrea did great last week, and I know a bunch of you also did really well. But guys, remember, that's the past, all right? That's in the archives. Now, Anna, you made $3,000? Okay, all right. Let's give Anna a nice round of applause for last week. I guess the on-site helped out, Anna. Oh, Grant made $3,000. Yes, absolutely. And you know what? Give Grant a round of applause. He did great. But anyway, that's what we train here for, and that's what it's all about. But remember, guys, and I know we have a lot of new members that are joining today, please keep in mind, this is not a teaching room. This is a trading room. So if you want to learn how we do it, hopefully by the end of the when your trial will start to expire, listen, you only need one day. Hopefully you realize why we are the original and been in business for 25 years, and hopefully you'll join our team. So guys, let's do some shopping and see what's going on. Remember, Mondays are very tricky because not a lot of news comes over the weekend. We know that the president is in Asia. Apparently, from what the rumors have it, he's like I don't know, is he working for like the military or something like that? Because like I heard he sold like $250 billion worth of stuff. So military stocks are doing great. But I know we're not going to be spending $200-300 on a stock. Should have thought about that back in November. But there are the stocks that are moving. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but we'll keep an eye on some of them over the weekend. Let's keep an eye on the NVFY trade. That one started a little bit early this morning around 7:30, and then finally made a nice little pop. It's up a lot though. You know, I'm not a big fan of trading stocks at 58% early in the morning, but because she did make the list, we're going to keep an eye on it. The NXTR, now that was also another big winner I forgot to mention last week. That one, it gapped up beautifully. You can see it's been on a really nice tear from 2250. It became a day trade, now it became a swing trade. She's kind of flat right here. So that kind of like, I don't know if there's a buyout or whatever, but basically it doesn't, not really a very attractive looking mover. The big interesting move is Mattel. Now Mattel got crushed. For some of you remember Mattel, it really has been taking a huge hit lately. It gapped up pretty nice over the weekend. Mattel is a little bit of a brand name stock. It's fast moving stock. It's a level 3 category stock or higher. So be careful if you're not a beginner trader. Be careful with that. EKSO, that was one of our big winners also last week. She's up a little bit. She's up 33%. She's up 50 cents. I don't know. I mean, because we traded it last week, go back to your journals, see how you did on it, see if it had some nasty shakes or whatever. But you can put this on your watch list. All right. I think I'm pretty much done. The OREX took a big hit, but it's not up a lot. I don't know if I'm really completely sold on that one. CNIT, it's on a downtrend already in pre-market. I think I'm pretty much done. Over the weekend, nothing really got crushed, so no good dead cat bounces. Keep an eye on GE. GE is now becoming more of a swing trade. I think, I don't know, it's taking a little bit of a hit right now, but listen, we got major support levels right here, and if it holds pretty strong over here, this could be a bounce, but I don't know, something happened where it just really just took a nosedive right now. All right. Don't know what happened there. Now, the other one that's some of you already in position trading it is the TRXC trade. That one kicked in. Hopefully some of you saw this. This is why you got to be in at 8:30, and you know that's what time we start, but it was already gapping up a little bit. Some of you guys chased it. You did pretty well. You know, it's not a tremendous, but 800,000 shares already trading pre-market. Looks like some profit takings kicking in. We'll keep a close eye on it. GGP, great push. It's a little bit on the expensive side, but it's not up humongous. It's only up 7%. 2.5 million shares traded. Some of you remember this. We did trade the stock back on the 6th. It went from 18, sorry, not the 6th, this way. On the 7th, it went from 19 to 22. It's testing major resistance levels right now. Look at your high frequency trades. Look at see if you get any iceberg orders. You're probably going to see them hovering right around that 24. That's why I probably backed off right there. You're probably seeing, if you see those iceberg orders, that would explain it. All right, I think we're pretty much done. You know, you got some ETFs. You know my thoughts on ETFs. Don't need to go over that. Chipotle, I mean, guys, $500 stock, now it's at $270. I still can't figure out why the stock's at $270. More or less at $500. More or less it was at like $700 about 2 years ago. But Chipotle taking a major hit, not looking very good for Chipotle. You know, guys, this is what trading's all about. You know, you want to deal with expensive stocks. You want to be a big boy, and you know, you got to put your big boy pants on. They say, right? Is that what they say? Be careful. CMGI, $270 stock. I know a lot of people. You know, a lot of people says, "Oh, I'm doing great and doing great." Well. I don't know the last time we went to Chipotle, but for me it was like a year ago. It was good, but after a while, I think I'm done with it. Anyway, a couple other good stocks are doing pretty well. Ferrari's making a little bit of a comeback on a swing trade at major support levels. So hopefully everyone stuck it in. Square was a good swing trade. I own that one. I also own the. I also bought the Goose. Very expensive line of clothing. And it was a good IPO. Started once it broke out of that resistance levels right here. You know, now it's off to the races. For all my Canadian students and traders out there, you're all very familiar with Canadian Goose. Very good clothing line, and it looks like it's doing pretty well. So anyway, still a little cheap, I think. So anyway, good list of stocks. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know if I'm missing anything, but Jeff says that XNET. Yeah, that XNET. Let me bring it up. The XNET was a lot of fun. We did really well. Went from $3 to $13. It just took a little bit of a rally here, but it's kind of flat line. It's got decent volume. You know, you could put it on the watch list, but I'm not completely sold on it right now. We did pretty well with it already. If it starts breaking out, we'll consider it. But other than that, I would be really careful. I don't know. I don't know. I'll put it on the list. we'll see, because it's been pretty strong. It's got to break that resistance level. See what happens. All right, guys. So anyway, we have a good list here now for all the new people that are listening on YouTube and Facebook that are going to get this a little bit later. And some of you new trials, I want you to understand maybe only 2 or 3 of these are going to move. We always find a whole new list when the market opens up. A lot of traders do hold their positions, but some of them have these orders. They got to fill them and they want to make some profits. It's what trading's all about. You know, remember, they're not here for momentum trading. They're here for, you know, spread trading and filling in orders and, you know, making commissions. So that's what you're seeing in the pre-market. But some of you guys did pretty well on it. And you can see what's going on, but let's see what opens up when the market opens up. All right, guys? Listen, good luck today. Happy trading. And also, remember, new members, please talk to Education Advisor. Watch the videos so you don't get too confused what's going on. Just sit back, watch, listen, and learn. Guys, good luck today. And let's hopefully have another great week like last week, all right? And then don't forget, almost forgot to mention, next week is Thanksgiving. I know the Canadians are spending... We do ours. It starts next week. So I'm just telling you right now, you're going to get a lot of action going into like this week and the first week of next week. A lot of earnings came out already. Thanksgiving is going to be great. And also don't forget to look forward to our Black Friday promotions. All right, guys? We'll let you know when those come up shortly. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading. Let's make some money.